In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new page in Notion. This process is simple, quick, and can be a great way to organize your thoughts, tasks, or various projects within one of the most versatile productivity apps out there. Whether you're completely new to Notion or you've been using it for a while, these steps will help you effortlessly add a new page to your workspace. First, let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the Notion interface. When you open Notion, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of your screen. This is essentially your navigation hub where you can access all your pages, databases, and more. If your sidebar isn't visible, you can easily toggle it by clicking the toggle button or using the shortcut key, which is especially handy if you like keeping your workspace clean and uncluttered. Now, let's talk about creating that new page. At the top of your sidebar, you'll find your workspace's name, big and bold. Right next to the name is a small page icon with a pencil on it. This represents the ability to add new pages quickly and efficiently. Don't worry, it might sound small, but this feature is prominently positioned for easy access. Simply click on that icon, and just like that, you've created a new page. It's important to note that once you click the icon, Notion opens up your new page immediately in the main area of the application. Here, you have the option to title your page straight away. A simple click on that area next to Untitled will let you type in what you want to name your new page. Naming your page appropriately is key to keeping things organized and easy to navigate. Once you're in the page, you might want to consider the type of content you wish to include. Notion allows you to add different types of blocks. These can be text, lists, images, or even complex databases, which makes organizing information versatile and adaptive to your needs. You can start by adding a title, and from there, insert various blocks to build your structure as needed. For many users, creating a new page can be the entry point to both simple tasks like note-taking and more complex setups, such as project management boards. Regardless, Notion provides a lot of room for creativity and customization. Explore various options, play with layouts, and gradually tailor your pages to fit your workflow best. Remember, this new page isn't fixed in place. You can drag it around in the sidebar to position it where it makes the most sense for you, either as a top-level page or a sub-page under a different main topic. Flexibility is one of Notion's strengths, so take advantage of it. To sum it all up, the key to creating a new page in Notion starts right in the sidebar, with that simple click on the page and pencil icon. With this basic setup, you can freely express the full potential of your ideas, plans, and tasks with ease and efficiency. Enjoy creating and organizing in Notion.